Hello everybody. My wife and I thought we'd show you what we had done to our home since we have had it. As you all know, we live in a mobile home that started out with metal frame windows. And my wife had those taken out and had vinyl windows installed. We had a swamp cooler on top of the house, and she had central air put in as well as a new furnace. And we took the swamp cooler off and installed it on one of our neighbors' houses. And as you can see, these windows made a big difference in the way the house looks. And we also put in a new front and back door. I did the work on that. Took the trailer doors off of it and put regular house doors on. It looks really nice. It's really presentable from the road. And I don't know, all in all, I think it looks really nice that way. As you can see on top in some of these pictures, there's no swamp cooler on top. I sealed that up. And and then we went to working on the inside. And as you can see here, that looks really nice from a distance. On the and Those are part of the bedroom windows right there. And then on the inside, the living room, we didn't do anything to other than paint and change the windows. And as you can see, that looks really nice. That wall over there is all mirror, which looks really, really good. And there's our little Sherman boy sitting out in the middle. And the picture doesn't quite show just how much room there was. The kitchen had the white counters, and you can see we did backsplash painted and all that. And we decided to do the counters, so I spent quite a while sanding. Then I did the base coat, and we did this to all 5 counters in the house. We have 5 counters in our home. And my wife, she did all the sponge work on it, putting the colors in it, and I think it came out really, really well. And as I said, we did that with all 5 counters in the house. The backsplash, as you can see, I didn't go all the way down behind the stove with that, but we did paint back there. And the house was full of carpet, nasty carpet, and as you can see from these photos here, I put tile down. And I put tile in the kitchen, dining room, laundry room, hallway, and both bathrooms. And I think those counters came out really nice. I used floor tile at the end of the cabinets from the counter to the ceiling to kind of break it up a little bit. And it had black appliances in it. We took them out and put white appliances in it, which I think looks really, really nice. And that's how it was looking after it was finished. And this is the kitchen part here. And it did have a single light over the bar, over the breakfast bar up on the ceiling, and we put two drop-down lights on that, which makes it look much better. Threw some little throw rugs down there, and as you can see, you've got some bar stools, and it looks so much nicer. Feels more like a home. This is the dining room here. It's got that big old mirror there, and again, as you can see, we painted and did the counters, and that made the dining room look really nice. Now the mirrors that's on the wall below the windows, they're no longer there. We took them down and painted that. This is what the master bathroom looked like, and I don't know, I thought it was just pretty drab. And in a minute, you're going to see what the tub shower area looked like, and that was really gross. But that's what it looked like after we got painted, and I put different lights in there. Then again, we did the countertops the same way. I did all the base work. My wife did the sponge work. And this is the shower. Oh my Lord, what were they thinking? That film you couldn't get off of there. I scrubbed and scrubbed, and this is what I changed it to. I took ceramic floor tiles and went up the wall with it from the tub to the ceiling. I raised the shower head up about 1.5 to 2 feet. And see, that just looks horrible right there. It looks so nasty, and that white part across the edge of it. And this is what it came out looking like when I was done. It took a lot of work. It took me about, I guess, about a week to do that by myself because I tore the walls out, re-insulated, uh, put some netting up there for to hold the grout, grouted and tiled, and that's the way it came out looking afterward. No, that's the second bathroom, in the master bathroom. That one there, I don't have any before pictures, but I did the same thing with that. Went all the way to the roof with it, and it came out looking really, really nice. And of course, tiled the floor, new toilet, and hung a towel rack up, and that came out looking good. And then this is the second part of the master bathroom in the area where the sink is, and we changed the color of the sink, put different sink in there, did the countertops, of course. I even did her little vanity top, her little makeup counter right there, and that looks really nice. It just makes our home feel so more comfortable. And this is the outside where I tore the deck down, the back porch down, and redid it, recarpeted it, and it looks really nice. So this is what our home looked like. I'm sorry there's no bedroom pictures. I don't think we took any. But we had two bedrooms that we put carpet in uh, and changed it out. And so if you like this little slideshow, leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you again.